for 6th grade. Today we're going to be working on lesson 13, problems that have equal groups. Now, you've done these before, and so this should be somewhat of a review of something that you've had before. And these problems are going to be primarily multiplying and dividing because we have the same number of things in each group. So let's look at 2 example problems and you can see what I mean. First problem, there are 24 pencils in a box. Okay, so here's our box, and our box has 24 pencils in it. We have 7 boxes. How many pencils do we have in all? So one box would have 24 pencils. I could draw another box with 24 more pencils, and a 3rd box, and a 4th box, and so on and so forth, until I had all 7 boxes, and each of them would have 24 pencils in it. To solve how many pencils I have all together, I could do a number of things. I could add 24 7 times, or I could multiply the number of pencils we have, 24 pencils, times, we have 7 boxes, 24 times 7 should give me the total number of pencils we have. Well, 24 times 7. 7 times 4 is 28. 7 times 2 is 14, 15, 16. I should have 168 pencils in all. I'm able to multiply because there's the same number of pencils in each box. Multiplication is repeated addition. So instead of just adding 24 each time, I'm able to multiply 24 7 times. Let's look at another way that this might look. Here's my second problem. It says movie tickets cost $5 each. The total sales, so that's the total amount of money that a movie theater made, were $820. Wow, that's pretty good at $5 each. How many tickets were sold? So let's think about that for a minute. We're selling tickets that cost $5 each, and if I added the price of all of the tickets sold, it would add up to $820. How many tickets can I get out of my $820? Well, if we think about it as a multiplication problem, the number of tickets times $5 per ticket equals, in this case, 820. So if I knew how many tickets there were, and I multiplied times $5 a ticket, I'd get 820. Wait a second. I know that division is the opposite of multiplication. That if I have part of my multiplication problem, I can work backwards and divide to find my missing number. If I was to take 820 and divide it by the $5 per ticket, it should give me the total number of tickets. Let's try that. I have $820, divided that by $5 per ticket. 8 divided by 5 is 1. 1 times 5 is 5. 3, bring down the 2. 32 divided by 5 is 6. 6 times 5 is 30. 2, bring down the 0. 20 divided by 5 is 4. I would have sold 164 tickets because 164 tickets times $5 a ticket makes $820. When you do your problems, particularly in class, you're going to want to make sure that you're able to set up some sort of equation, just like I've done here, and that you're then able to solve to find what you need.